What is the Sun? The Sun, that brilliant star at the center of our solar system, is a nearly perfect sphere of scorching hot plasma. It is the single most important source of energy for life on Earth, governing our climate, weather patterns, and the very existence of our planet's ecosystems. Formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago from the gravitational collapse of matter within a large molecular cloud, the Sun is a yellow dwarf star, one of billions in the Milky Way galaxy. Its immense mass, over 330,000 times that of Earth, creates an enormous gravitational pull that holds our solar system together, keeping everything from the largest planets to the smallest debris in orbit around it. Without the Sun's gravity, Earth and the other planets would simply drift off into the vast emptiness of space. At its core, the Sun is a gigantic nuclear reactor. The temperature and pressure are so extreme, around 15 million degrees Celsius, that hydrogen atoms are forced together to create helium in a process called nuclear fusion. This continuous reaction releases a tremendous amount of energy, which travels outward from the core through the radiative and convective zones before finally reaching the Sun's visible surface, the photosphere. This energy then radiates out into space in the form of light and heat, a journey that takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. The Sun's surface is not calm. It is a turbulent place with features like sunspots, which are cooler, darker areas caused by intense magnetic activity, and solar flares, which are sudden massive eruptions of energy. The Sun is currently in the middle of its main sequence stage, where it has been steadily fusing hydrogen for billions of years, and will continue to do so for another 5 billion years. Eventually, however, it will run out of hydrogen fuel in its core. When this happens, it will undergo dramatic changes, expanding into a red giant. In this phase, it will grow so large that it will engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth. After this red giant phase, the Sun will shed its outer layers, creating a beautiful planetary nebula, and its core will collapse into a very dense, hot object called a white dwarf. This white dwarf will then slowly cool and fade over trillions of years, eventually becoming a cold, dark black dwarf. For now, though, it remains the life-giving star that illuminates our days and makes our world habitable.